Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve not so magnetic puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Samuel Farines from 22 Hobbies. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to assemble all parts into a cube. The not so magnetic puzzle is based on a classic Soma cube, which has 240 solutions, but this puzzle is different. It is a lot different. It has only one solution because each piece has magnets inside, and they are strategically placed in such a way that when you put parts together, not all of them want to stay together. Like if I put this red piece here, as you can see, it won't stay on top. It just falls out from the cube shape, and you have to find another spot for it. And the puzzle is made in such a way that there is only one solution. That means that there is only one specific spot for each and every piece, and when you find it, you will be able to solve the puzzle and put all parts together into a cube. As you can see right now, not all parts want to stay together, and I still have one piece that I can't put inside of the cube. Once the puzzle is solved, you can put these brackets on top to hold it so that it don't fall apart. If you like the not so magnetic puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already bought this puzzle, spent a lot of time trying to find solution and still can't succeed, keep watching the video. I'll show you the solution. And now I'll try to show you how to solve the puzzle. It will be quite difficult, but I'll try to show you how it works. So I'll start with the red piece and orange. I hope I put the orange in the correct way, since it's hard to figure out if it is correct or no. Then I put here this yellow piece. The pink piece go on top. I think this is the correct position. It might go this way, but I actually don't know, but I think this will be correct. Now we have three parts. One of them will be this piece, one of them will be this purple. Let's put the purple inside and see if everything stays in one place. The blue goes here. And now we have only green piece. If I put all parts in a correct way, it will be a cube, but the green sticks out, so maybe I have to rotate it. Maybe I have to rotate the blue piece now, since something is wrong and some parts repel each other, but that's just because you can rotate them. Like for now, the blue piece doesn't fit well. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can change something. Maybe this purple piece is supposed to be like that in a corner. I guess it's supposed to be in a corner. Let's see. But everything falls apart. Oh, no. I don't want it to fall apart. Oh, looks good. Now the blue piece doesn't want to go inside. The magnets repel it. Okay, maybe if I flip it, still doesn't want to go in. Okay, let's try to put the purple in a different way, maybe like that. The blue piece goes in, and the last one, the green, it doesn't want to go inside. Something is wrong again. Okay, let's try to flip the blue piece. It fits nicely. Oh, done. Okay, as you can see, even though I know the solution, still you have to try all the parts in a different way, since if you flip the piece, the solution won't work. So you have to find a specific spot for each and every piece and rotate the piece in the correct way, and only then you will be able to make a cube which will stay as a cube. As you can see, no parts are coming out of the cube. They are all held by magnets, and you just put these brackets on top to secure the cube so it won't fall apart easily. That was the solution of not so magnetic puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Samuel Farinas from 22 Hobbies, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.